Good afternoon. Well, really good evening everybody. Welcome back to another vlog and another video. So, we know yesterday was definitely the first warm 80-degree weather day we've had so far this season for our 2019 season here. Our 2019 summer season approaching pretty soon, pretty soon, pretty soon and stuff, pretty soon and stuff, pretty soon and stuff. Well, today it's a lot chillier. Today's a lot chillier. Um, it's just kind of been a windy day and stuff here today, here in Rochester. Take a look outside. You can definitely feel the breeze pretty good too. All right, let's take a look outside. And if you can see the area where the grass is a lot taller, the grass moving, you can tell pretty good if you folks can even see from watching this, the way the grass is moving, you can tell it's been pretty windy almost all day and all afternoon up to this point. So much cooler and much chillier today than yesterday. But I think we got a little bit more warmer weather on the way. Warmer weather, warmer weather on the way for later on in the week, I think. if you folks can even see, some of our trees up front, around in front of our place are kind of moving a little bit more, as you can see. Alright, that's my intercom. I better go answer it, so I'm going to end the vlog and the video there. If you enjoyed this vlog and this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up for sure. Be sure to comment down below. Be sure to go down and subscribe for sure. And I'll see you in my next vlog, my next video.